I'm just demonstrating kind of like how to do a front flip, jump, wait, push first, jump after, and just rotate. But I don't get the foot landing part yet, so I can't really teach that part. So, here's my brother doing the things I just told you. Push first, Piston. Show them push. Again.
Push.
Yeah. Push. Yeah, the push. Now, jump and push. Yeah?
This was charging.
I'm back. My mother called me for foolishness. You get it? You know mothers don't. I was talking about. Oh yeah, back to the subject. Where were we? Oh yeah, flip, jump, push, and just rotate. And here it goes. Nice, awesome. You're running too fast. Yeah. He's trying to do the moonsault like Sin Cara and Rey Mysterio, those people, you know. Rey Mysterio is my favorite, Sin Cara is his favorite, so.
Wait, start signal, fader.
Alright, I'm going to show you now that's called add gymnastics. First, push. That's push. Now, jump and push. That's very funny, right? Now just jump, push, and rotate. So, I'm going to do that one more time. And last time. Isn't that awesome? Alright, pause it.
But is this?